like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and tonight I am going to show you my nightly routine on how to remove my makeup from work. I don't need a facial, or no, not facial, but what you call this? Yeah, makeup cleanser, or not makeup cleanser, but makeup remover. Oh my god, see? I'm lost for words because I don't really use makeup remover. So what I do to remove, all my eyeshadow and my mascara and everything around my eye is I'm actually using petroleum jelly. Yeah, petroleum jelly, you guys. So what I do is, just take a little bit on your finger and then include your eyebrows as well. Kind of massage it like a little bit, just slightly and softly, and also do the same thing on your other eye. Now I'm not using makeup remover just because my skin is so sensitive. I'm only using like products that I don't break out. So it's scary to try different stuff, really. Okay, so now once that is done, just grab cotton. Okay, and then gently wipe that, like that, see? Gently. Look. Okay, just do it gently. Okay, and also do it on the other side. Okay, so now that you got most of it, like that, so wash your face with warm water, and then, clean your face with whatever facial cleanser you have. In my case, like I said, my face tends to break out fast, so I really like using Oxy because it kills acne bacteria and it has 10% benzoyl peroxide. So I use this in a daily basis in the morning and also at nighttime. So wash your face with warm water. Like that, and then the facial cleanser. Now gently massage your face. Okay. Now grab like a rag, rinse this with warm water. And just wipe your face using the rag. Just do it gently. You can see all the dirt. Okay, around your eye, you still have some mascara left, and also just put more petroleum jelly. This mascara is waterproof, so grab another cotton and gently wipe her eye. Okay. There you go. And wash your face again. Grabbing my facial cleanser again. Okay, and then I'm grabbing my rag. It's kind of cold now, so I'm gonna rinse it with warm water again. And then gently wipe your face. There you go, guys. That is basically my nightly routine before I go to bed. I don't use makeup remover or anything like that, just because my skin tends to break out fast. I'm only using products that I'm used to, and yeah, so I'm using Vaseline Petroleum jelly to remove my makeup and my eyeshadow, and as well for the rest of my face, like my foundation and stuff like that, I clean it with warm water, and also rinse your rag with warm or hot water, and then gently wipe your face. So yeah, basically that's it. So let me know, guys, what you think, if petroleum jelly will do the trick for you as well. So yeah, like I said, don't go yet, hit that notification bell, and also please click on the subscribe button. Okay, all right, have a good night, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Like a Hellcat.